Microsoft Power Platform, accelerate innovation with low-code. What if you had a way to turn great ideas into business solutions fast, not just for developers, but for everyone in your organization? That's the promise of Microsoft Power Platform. It's a suite of low-code, AI-powered tools. Your teams can build professional-grade apps, automate tedious workflows, and create stunning data dashboards, all with minimal traditional coding. It's about empowering your people to solve problems and drive change, and it fits perfectly into the world you already know. Power Platform connects securely to over 1,000 data sources and plugs directly into Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and Azure. This means you can build unified solutions that truly connect your data and processes. The result? You cut development time and costs while accelerating innovation across the entire business. From a commissioned study by Forrester, adopting these capabilities can deliver a strong, proven return on investment. Ready to see what your teams can build? Start simplifying today with Microsoft Power Platform. Visit www.cambaysolutions.com.